But it's got to be one of the best tracks in the world, really.
It is.
It's Churraigh first and the rest are nowhere.
Sinné an baile, atá ag an gapal in Éireann.
They can meet at the Curragh. That usually decides what the top 3-year-old is.
This is as good as it gets, Galileo.
Such a great tradition. Lucky for us, it's in Ireland.
I've always wanted to see this great race run on the great course at the Curragh.
It was huge. Big social occasion for everybody.
Ma bhí an sean organ of Bishop Catcha.
We've always had one of the world's greatest race tracks, and now we have amazing facilities to go along with it.
Vincent O'Brien changed the game completely.
Churraigh was so undeserving of what happened to him.
I was only 23 years old, so it was one of those races that I'll never forget.
The Irish Dearbaí, Níos Mó Ná Rása, go luath ar TG4.